Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 19 biodiversity and its conservation. Today's topic is biodiversity hotspot of India. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 19 biodiversity and today's topic is biodiversity hotspot of India. So topic is biodiversity hotspots of India. First of all, definition of hotspot. Students, in previous online class we studied introduction of biodiversity hotspot. First is biodiversity hotspot concept given by a British ecologist Norman Mayers, and next, in present time 34 total hotspot in world, but in India only 3 biodiversity hotspots. First is Western Ghat, second is Eastern Himalaya. They are major biodiversity hotspot of India, and a minor biodiversity hotspot of India is Indo-Burma. So 3 hotspot in India: Eastern Himalaya, Western Ghat, and Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. So again, definition of hotspot is a place where a hug, it means maximum numbers biodiversity is found, is called as biodiversity hotspot. Next, biodiversity concept given by British ecologist Norman Mayers. And next, in India mostly 3 biodiversity hotspots. Once again, in India mostly 3 biodiversity hotspots. First is the Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspot. Second is the Western Ghat biodiversity hotspot. And third is Indo-Burma biodiversity, hotspot. First is the Eastern Himalayas, biodiversity hotspot. First is area of Eastern Himalaya or total area of Eastern Himalaya is 750 times 0 square kilometer. Next is plant species in Eastern Himalaya is about 10,000. Next, the states of the East Himalaya region like Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh. Once again, Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh states including East Himalayan hotspot. Next is animals of Eastern Himalaya hotspot is first is Gangetic dolphin. Gangetic dolphin. Students, it is a national aquatic animal of India. Once again, it is important line. It is a national aquatic animal of India. It means Gangetic dolphin is national aquatic animal of India. Next, Indian government to declare or declared to national aquatic animal was 2009. Next is Western Ghat biodiversity hotspot. Second is the Western Ghat biodiversity hotspot. First is area is 1 63 times 0 square kilometers. Next is includes state, mostly part of Kerala state. Once again, the Western Ghat biodiversity hotspot, or in this hotspot include the Kerala state. Once again, mostly part of Kerala state includes in Western Ghat hotspot. Next is plant species in the Western Ghat Himalayas 5916. Next is specific animals. Some specific animal including or found in the Western Ghat biodiversity is Asian elephant. Next is Nilgiri Tahar. Nilgiri Tahar. Next hotspot and third hotspot is Indo Burma biodiversity hotspot. First is area of Indo Burma biodiversity hotspot is 2373 3 times 0 square kilometer. Next is a small portion includes in Indo Burma biodiversity hotspot. Next, some include country like India. Next, China, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Countries includes in this hotspot, it means Indo Burma hotspot. Next is plant species found in Indo Burma biodiversity species is 13500. Next is a specific topic or point is endemic species. endemic species. Students, species which are found in a particular area or extension is limited to a specific area. Once again, species which are found in particular area or extension, it means spread, is limited to specific area, are called endemic species. Like examples, dodo, once again, dodo, it is a bird species. The dodo bird which was firstly discovered in the year of 1658, was an endemic species of Mauritius country, of Mauritius country. Once again, dodo, it is a species, it is a bird species, and it was a endemic species of Mauritius country. Next, due to the increased human activities and hunting, so that the bird became extinct in 23 years. It was last seen in the year 1681. Once again, dodo, it is a bird species, and it was a endemic species of Mauritius country. Next, it extinct only 23 years because increase the human activities and hunting. So the bird last time seen in the year of 1681. So students, today's topic is completed. Biodiversity hotspot of India. Mostly 3 in India. 2 are major. Major is the Eastern Himalaya and the Western Ghat, and the minor hotspot is Indo-Burma. Biodiversity hotspot. In this Hotspot areas. First we studied area, next plant species, next is include parts, next in today's topic important part is national aquatic animal. National aquatic animal is Gangetic dolphin. Indian government declared in 2009. Once again, national aquatic animal of India is Gangetic dolphin. Next, dodo bird. It was an endemic species of Mauritius country and it extinct only 23 years because the increase of human activities and hunting. And last time seen the dodo bird is 1681 and first time seen is 1658. So thanks, have a nice day.